At High Strength Plates and Profiles, our mission is to save the world from wear and tear, one application at a time. We are 2 locations, one of which in Mississauga is 41,000 square feet. Sudbury location is about 41,000 square feet. This Thorold space that we're in now, we're about 120 employees. We hit sort of a crisis point with our steel. We had so much steel, our warehouses were full. The reality is that a building like this, a crane building, they don't build them anymore. We could not even find a developer to build one for us because it is such a niche part of the market.
We had 450,000 square feet. We signed the lease within months of owning the facility, made it ready for high strength, which is now in full production.
The combination of HOPA and the BMI Group made this location so appealing for us. The bones of this place are absolutely fantastic.
Its advantage was it was sitting there ready to go. It's got real assets. It's connected through new property that we'll acquire, so it can also access the marine assets that we have here.
We are processing high strength and abrasion resistant steel plate. We buy from steel mills all around the world. Our products go into the equipment that consumers are going to see every day. This is a great example of what I would call public-private kind of partnership.
Us being very entrepreneurial and light on our feet, and then the experience of running a port facility that HOPA has, its relationships at a provincial and a federal level that have supported us in many, many ways here at the port. That dynamic partnership, it's worked very well, and we see it continuing to grow as we move into the future.
To give you a magnitude of the investment and the scope of the risk that we're taking here, we're talking about more than doubling the size of our company. There's housing for our workers, there's fantastic infrastructure, there's rail, there's marine transportation. We've got a great and stable landlord here. The most important thing in a commercial relationship generally is trust. And it's just so refreshing to have an organization like HOPA that says, look, let's us help you create the conditions.
The people in an organization make all the difference, and I think that's allowed for the acceleration that we've seen here at the Hub.
Would have been a tragedy for manufacturing in Canada if this building had been demolished. HOPA is really doing a great job of revitalizing this Port of Thorold. I think it can really grow from where it is. In the BMI Group, you've got an organization that's really committed, I would say, to people and to community and to revitalizing this really valuable asset. We are engaged in kind of a mission here to save the world from wear and tear, but along the way, we're also going to hopefully, create a better life for ourselves and our community.